My name's Danny Carroll. I'm the owner of Danny's Landscaping, located in Columbia, Missouri since 2005. It always developed early on a love for the outdoors and working outdoors. We carry ourselves as a team because we're working together all day. We are a team, we are brothers, and we have respect for ourselves and the customer and the job site and our machines. We like to keep everything clean, and it's just different. The attention to detail, the precision, the care that we put into the work that we do, it's different than everybody, I feel like. 10 years ago when I bought my first Bobcat, I had to rent one for a project that it was really muddy and I had my tractor and it just wasn't doing it. I rented one and it changed my life. It changed the way I viewed how I could do things and the power that I could have. These machines are extensions of me. That's it. You know, my back can only handle so much in my hands, but these machines, there's just no quit in them. And even though they're small, you know, it's kind of an analogy to me too. They're in a little package, but they got a lot of heart. My first machines were the T110 and then the MT55, and loved it. Immediately you can throw somebody right on that machine. Third machine I added, the trifecta, was an E20. But we use these machines in concert. We use them in a little dance between the loader and the bucket. Through this growing period, Bobcat has been our go-to machine. And the support from our salesmen and the staff up there, it just all works just like all of our machines work together.